Welcome everyone to today's enlightening video on the fascinating world of money. Before we delve into the insights from various courses and professions, let me ask you a question. What do you know about money? Are you confident in managing your finances? Or do you need help with the best steps to take for a secure financial future? No matter where you stand, today's discussion is tailored to benefit you. So whether you're an engineer, a doctor, a teacher, or an artist, let's explore the essential aspect of money together. Welcome to BA Media, where we empower you with practical tips and strategies to achieve financial prosperity. Today, I have an exciting topic to explore. What do you know about money? Before we dive into the depth of financial knowledge, I encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll gain an access to valuable content that will guide you on your journey to financial success. So let's dive in. Let's begin with engineers. Engineers are known for a problem-solving skills, attention to detail, and logical thinking. In managing money, these traits plays a crucial role. Budgeting, planning, and investing strategies are like constructing a complex structure requiring precision and foresight. Imagine engineers as the architect of their financial future, meticulously stretching out blueprints for prosperity. Their problem-solving prowess becomes the cornerstone of their financial decision-making, navigating through various challenges with ease. Budgeting becomes a blueprint, carefully allocating funds to ensure a stable foundation. Just as engineers assess all possible outcomes before constructing a bridge, they analyze potential financial scenarios to make informed choices, never losing sight of their ultimate goal. Moreover, their attention to detail transforms into a laser-focused scrutiny of financial plans, ensuring that no loose ends jeopardize their financial future. When it comes to investment, engineers apply their logical thinking to identify opportunities that aligns perfectly with their long-term vision, just like selecting the right materials for a durable device. They optimize and fine-tune their portfolios, embracing calculated risk while mitigating potential hazard. In managing money, engineers take on the role of master builders, methodically crafting a stable and prosperous financial empire that stands the test of time. With unwavering dedication and passion for precaution, engineers march towards a future that is not just financially secure, but also incredibly rewarding. For all the engineers out there, have you ever found similarities between designing a project and creating a financial plan? Share your experiences. Here is for example. You as an engineer applied your meticulous approach to money management. By setting clear financial goals and utilizing investment opportunity wisely, you managed to save enough to start your dream business alongside with your engineering career. Moving on to our dedicated medical professionals, they save lives and care for their patient. But how well do they care for their finances? Medical courses may not extensively cover financial matters, but it's crucial for doctors to prioritize financial well-being. In the relentless pursuit of saving lives and caring for patients, our dedicated medical professionals often overlook their own financial well-being. While medical courses may not extensively cover financial matters, it's essential for doctors to prioritize their financial health. By applying their attention to detail and seeking professional advice, they can build a strong foundation for their future, ensuring that they continue the noble mission with peace of mind and prosperity. Here is my question for all the doctors out there in a hectic medical career. How do you find time to manage your finances efficiently? Any tips to share? Here for example, You, as a hardworking physician, face financial stress due to a lack of planning. However, after attending a financial literacy seminar for doctors, you learned about investment options tailored to your profession. You are now well prepared for your future. Before we continue, I hope you have been enjoying our discussion on what do you know about money. If you found this information helpful so far, I have a little request to make. Please take the moment to hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me and helps me reach more people on their path to financial success. Let's appreciate our teachers, who impart knowledge and shape young minds. While they educate students, they also need to educate themselves about money matters, especially when it comes to retirement planning and investment. Our teachers are the architect of wisdom, molding the future by nurturing curious mind. As they instill knowledge in their student, it becomes equally vital for them to embark on a journey of financial enlightenment. Retirement planning and investment might seem like a foreign subject in the world of education, but just as they embrace continuous learning in their classroom, they must also immerse themselves in the art of financial education. By empowering themselves with financial knowledge, they can build a solid financial structure that not only secure their own future, but also sets an inspiring example for the generation they influence. In their pursuit of knowledge, teachers often prioritize the growth of their student over their own financial well-being. However, by taking a proactive approach to personal finance, they can ensure a rewarding retirement and a stable financial foundation. Retirement planning, budgeting, and exploring investment options should become a fundamental part of their syllabus, as understanding this concept can lead to financial security and a sense of control over their future. Additionally, seeking advice from financial experts and engaging in a peer discussion can foster a supported network that guides them through the intricate landscape of financial planning. As they empower young minds to dream big and reach for the star, teachers too must dare to dream of a secure and fulfilling retirement, with financial literacy as their guiding light. Here's the question for all the teachers out there. What challenges have you faced in planning for retirement? And how did you overcome them? Like, for example, you as a teacher nearing retirement initially struggled with building a substantial nest egg. Attending a financial planning workshop designed for educators helped you create a balanced investment portfolio and secure a comfortable retirement. Now let's talk about talented artists. Creativity flows through their veins, and while managing money might not be their primary focus, it's essential for financial stability and ability to continue pursuing their passion. Step into the vibrant world of artists, where imagination knows bound, and creativity dances to its own rhythm. Amidst the swirling color of their masterpieces and the melodies of their creations, financial stability may not always take center stage, but it becomes a critical canvas on which their dreams can truly flourish. For these gifted souls, understanding the art of managing money can fuel their passion and provide the freedom to paint their lives with the broadest strokes of creativity. While artists may find joy in the act of creation, financial stability empowers them to embrace their craft wholeheartedly. Managing money effectively means having the resources to invest in art supplies, attend workshops, and pursue opportunities that nurture their talents. Building a robust financial foundation allows artists to focus on their art without being burdened by financial worries. It grants them the freedom to explore new artistic endeavors, experiment with different techniques, and take the occasional leap of faith that leads to breakthrough on their work. So here's the question for all the artists. How do you balance pursuing your artistic dreams while ensuring financial security? So here is, for example, as an aspiring artist, you face financial uncertainty early in your career. Through workshops and mentorship, you learn to monetize your skills and build multiple income streams, allowing you to pursue your passion without financial worries. Last but not the least, we can't talk about money without mentioning our financial professionals. They are experts in wealth management, providing valuable advice to individuals from all walks of life. Enter the realm of financial professionals, where the currency of expertise flows freely, and the art of wealth management becomes their masterpiece. These financial architects are the guiding star for individuals navigating the complex labyrinth of financial choices. With their wealth of knowledge, they illuminate paths towards financial prosperity, providing valuable advice that transcend the boundaries of wealth, age, and background. From seasoned investors to those just beginning their financial journey, these experts are the guardians of financial well-being, empowering people from all walks of life to paint a picture of financial success that reflects their unique aspiration and dreams. Financial professionals are like skilled artists who carefully craft personalized financial plans for each client. They take the time to understand the nuances of their client's financial situation, listening to their goals, hopes, and concerns. Much like an artist seeking to capture the essence of their subject or canvas. With a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of a financial landscape, they curate tailored strategies that optimize resources, minimize risk. Just an artist seek to bring out the best of their work. Financial professionals aim to bring out the best of their clients' financial portfolios, striving to create a symphony of success that lasts a lifetime. So here is the question for all the financial professionals out there. What common financial misconception do you encounter? And how can we overcome them? So here is, for example, you as a financial advisor notice many clients overlooking the importance of emergency funds. After sharing real stories of people who faced financial crisis unprepared, your clients started prioritizing their crucial aspect of money management. Thank you so much everyone for joining us today. We have seen how every profession has something unique to offer in the realm of money management. Remember, no matter what your occupation is, financial literacy is vital. Investing in knowledge and taking the right step today can lead to a prosperous and secure future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your colleagues and friends. Together, let's spread financial wisdom and empower everyone to make informed financial decisions. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy. I'll see you on the next video.